going to look at a unit from one of the lower level courses, 213, Keeping in Touch. The task in this unit involves talking about how people communicate.
How do you communicate?
Me? I use everything really. I'm always on.
We'll go through the 5 main sections that you see here in the navigation bar. The first section is Getting Started. The Getting Started section introduces the task for the unit and the model text that shows the task. It has 3 parts: a lead-in or introduction screen, then video or audio for the text showing the task, and then there is an annotated version of the text. Let's take a closer look screen by screen to see how these work. The introduction screen is based on the same topic and ideas that learners will meet in the main task and text. It uses classifying type activities to match or organize similar items, fragments of speech, ideas, opinions, and concepts. In effect, this acts as the before stage of a receptive skills lesson, both introducing key ideas and concepts and allowing learners to consider and activate their own thoughts and knowledge of the topic. Activities in this slot combine images and text, and at times audio as well. In addition to this screen's role in opening up the task, the text and the unit, there are 3 important additional features here. These are the skip button, which allows the user to jump to the next item, the Google Translate widget, which sits conveniently inside the browser tab, and the help function, which contains a simple demonstration video showing the user how the activity works. These features give the learner more control over what they're doing, as well as supporting the teacher in ensuring learners know what to do and don't block at any stage as they work through the screen. And now we move on to the main text and task screen. This follows on naturally from the introduction screen. It's the main stage of a receptive skills lesson. It can be audio, text, or as here, video. A series of comprehension questions are set. These are all variations on a basic multiple choice format. Instant feedback on answers is provided by use of the OK button. This can tell learners how they've done on questions so far, or it can be used after completing all answers to check the overall score. As learners are processing this receptive skills content, they're also seeing someone doing a version of the task that they will be working on themselves.
Who do you talk to?
So it's a model as well.
Friends and family. With friends I talk about fun things, but with family I talk about serious things.
In terms of additional features here, there is a transcript which runs in sync with the audio. This can be used by the learner or teacher to focus in on problem areas with understanding. This feature comes with all video and audio based units.
I like it because I can send lots of short messages.
In units where video is used, full screen mode is available if learners or teachers wish to keep the focus on the action and dialogue alone and leave other elements of the screen for feedback and follow-up. Moving on to the third screen in this section, we have the detailed annotated analysis of the text. This is provided by way of a teacher narrator voice within the framing of a talking whiteboard. This talking whiteboard analyzes the text or the monologue or the dialogue as it is gradually presented on screen. Structural elements of the text, along with key language features, are systematically described and highlighted.
Can you find the nouns and verbs for communicating?
This can be a fully autonomous resource for learners, or one which the teacher can use depending on the focus of the lesson. So we see that the Getting Started section meets those key aims identified earlier. It introduces the theme and topic of the main task and text. It encourages learners to think, talk, and explore ideas around this. The main text serves both as a model for learners to work towards and as the basis for receptive skills development. The annotated text serves as a content map for what is coming up and as a reference to return to after subsequent work has been completed.
We'll call you if you win.
A message is better.
Sorry, it's a phone call.
Or even an email.
Sorry. No.
You can... Hi. Sorry, this is important. Bye.
Bye.